Okay, today I'm going to show you me and my friends finished Airsoft bunker. And yeah, so this is just the way to it, down our road, and there's my house and everything. And so yeah, we're going to it. And okay, this is the finished piece. So it's not kind of finished all the way though. So it's got that plywood roof and it's up out of the ground. And it's pretty nice in there. We just finished it today with my friend, except he left now. I'm gonna move this doorway over. This is just our big doorway. This thing right here. It's our big doorway. And now I'm going inside. Okay, this is the inside. We still got some patching work to do up there, and we kind of patched that off. But it's pretty big in here. I got a lot of headroom left. I got like 1-2 feet above me, and if you can see me, and it's me making this video, I guess. And yeah, it's really cool. It's like 8 feet by 10 feet by 10 feet, I think. It's something like that. There's the tunnel. And it's got that bunker, and the other side is just the one that we're done with. And yeah, that one's really nice, except it's just got a whole bunch of spiders in it. Yeah, and we're gonna patch up, or I'm gonna patch up all these holes tonight. Like that one, a lot of lights going in. So then when we're playing Airsoft, like somebody can't stick their gun in through there and start killing us. That would really suck. So yeah, patching up that hole, and then that'll be where the door is, the small door. And I'll go quick show you the other side of this fort, even though I already have a video of it. But I'll just show you the other side. Okay. Here's the other side. I'm not going in there because it's hard and there's no ladder, but that's that. And I hope you enjoyed. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And see you later.